Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samuel, financial market analyst. Today I'll be showing you my 3-step process that I normally use in almost every single price action trade that I place. So, what is price action? Price action trading is essentially trading based on what you see on the chart with no indicators used. It's trading based on action of price, and we use price action strategy in order to find high probability setup on things like support, resistance, trend lines, supply demand, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, and so on and so forth. Now, these are my 3-step process that guide me on my trading journey. The first step is to identify trend and structure. The second step, and I'll explain this, the second step is to prepare and predict, and the third step is to take action and enter the market. We get involved in the trade. This is AUD JPY on 1 hour time frame. Our first step is to identify a trend and structure levels that we want to pay attention to. Now, to identify that this is an uptrend, we need to see low followed by a lower low. We need to see low followed by a lower high, and we also need to see high followed by a higher high followed by a higher high. This is basically what I mean. This is low, this is lower high, this is high, this is higher high, and let's find out if this will be our next high. Now that we have identified that this is an uptrend, the next thing that I want to do is to identify structure levels, and to do that I need to find the levels that has been broken. Let's do the support and resistance levels. Okay, we have the support here, the resistance here, and we also have another resistance, another support here that was resistant here and here. Okay, nice. Now we need to see whether this level has been tested several times. This was our previous level, and we can see that this level has been tested 6 or 5 times. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. The second step that I want to do is prepare and predict, and to do that we need to find the prediction of the market. As we can see where the market is at the moment, there are only 2 or 3 options left. The market can go up, the market can also go down, and the market can also consolidate. If the price goes to my structure, this structure here, my prediction is that the market will push further up. And that is based on the fact that I have identified the trend as an uptrend, and structure wise we are in an area that is likely to push the market further up. Let's see what happens. Nice, nice, nice. Now, when all these conditions are met, we take action. When all these conditions are met, we take action. We go long here. And we can use this level, this zone, as our stop loss, and this zone as our take profit. Yes, we can use this zone as our take profit. Let's see whether this is okay. Let's see what happens. You can also see the market has also respected the trend line. This shows us that this market is an uptrend. Boom, that's it. Our take profit is taken out. Now, these are my 3-step process that I normally use in almost every single trade that I take. I hope this works for you guys. I'll catch you guys next time.